can see all the way down here are all the dye kettles of the dye house that we use. On our right of Joanna here, so I'll have a look over here, are the one roll dye log. So this is for one particular roll. These are for 3,000 meters over here, 3,000 on this side. There's no lights on in this place. It's all done by natural light. This place conserves as much energy as any place I've ever seen. And I think they recover as much steam as they can while they're dyeing. As we came in, we saw solar panels all around the facility that are charging up the entire facility. So, very good.